Namaste, I am CA Praveen Kumar, Director of planetFINANCE Business School, High Tech City, Hyderabad. In the last 1.5 years, we are seeing so many IPOs coming into the market for raising the fund from the public. That is called primary market. So I have done the video on Hyundai Motors Corporation, and I have done the video on Adani, and I have done the video on other companies who are coming for IPO. But later I realized if I am making the videos and people are watching, they will think I am knowledgeable. Of course, I am knowledgeable, but as a faculty, as a director, my objective is to make students knowledgeable. So it is not that I am knowledgeable, please come and join our B school. It is not like that. It is like I will make you knowledgeable, you can join the PGDM with us and you will also become knowledgeable. That is the idea which you wanted to create among the public. So in the same plan, what I have done is, I made students to prepare the IPO report of each company so that they will be able to share their knowledge, how they are able to perform in front of camera and how they are able to share their knowledge with you will be helpful for the audience. Okay. Today we are with us Mr. Ashish from Nizamabad. He is our PGDM first year student. He is going to talk about the company AFCONS Infrastructure Limited, which got listed yesterday. But still we should know about the company prospects and details of the IPO in detail. Namaste Ashish.
Namaste.
How are you?
I'm good, sir.
So how did you get to know about our planetFINANCE B school when you were at Nizamabad?
నా పేరు ఆశిష్, నేను నిజామాబాద్ నుంచి వస్తున్నాను. అండ్ మీ గురించి మా ఫ్రెండ్ చెప్పారు. నా ఫ్రెండ్ పేరు జస్కేష్. అతను కూడా మీ కాలేజ్లో జాయిన్ అవుదామని నన్ను ఎంకరేజ్ చేసి మీ గురించి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తే నేను మీ గురించి రీసెర్చ్ చేశాను. మీ యూట్యూబ్ వీడియోస్ అండ్ మీ ఛానల్స్ అండ్ మీ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ క్లియర్గా నోటీస్ చేస్తే మీ అచీవ్మెంట్స్ అన్నీ చూసి నేను మీ సిలబస్ కూడా చూస్తే ఐ వాస్ సో ఇంప్రెస్డ్ about your college and your syllabus and your training, so that I wanted to join you in your college. That's the reason I'm here too.
Nice.
Yes, sir.
What is the business of this company, AFCON Infra?
Sir, this company is mainly focused on construction and engineering sector. And in this construction and engineering sector, there are so market leaders like this company may comes in a mid-cap sector, but their success ratio is very excellent. Why? Because in last 11 years they completed around 59 projects and they are still working on 75 plus upcoming projects. This number is so huge compared with market standards.
So when was the IPO opened and closed, and how much they raised from the public?
The IPO opening date is on 25th October and the IPO closing date is 29th October. In this IPO, they wanted to raise 5,430 CR. In this IPO, 80% is for offer for sale and 20% is fresh issue.
How many shares they are issuing in the IPO?
There are around 11 crores 70 lakh shares. In these 11 crores 70 lakh shares, 80% is completely for offer for sale and 20% is for fresh issue.
Fine. So what was the issue price for the IPO?
440 is lower band and 473 is upper band.
So issue at what price they have done the issue?
It was opened around
No, I am asking issue price.
Issue price.
What is the issue price of this IPO?
440.
So they issued at 440.
Yeah.
And what is the current price now?
It's around 480.
So there was a 10% gain.
Yeah. It's because it's already listed in secondary market yesterday.
Oh, fine. How many times issue got oversubscribed?
When it comes to retail category, it was subscription rate is around 94%. But when it comes to QIB categories, it is around 3.2% times.
So that is where issue is able to be successful.
Yeah.
Because even if there is a undersubscription in the retail category, but if there is oversubscription in the QIB and NII, issue can be passed. Okay, this is what we discussed in the Hyundai IPO of my earlier videos. Can you throw some light on the company sales and profitability for the last 2 years?
From last 2 years, the profits and EBITDA and profit after tax, FAT also increased so much. when coming to EBITDA, the EBITDA was 21% and profit revenues are 9% increased, and FAT, profit after tax, also 12%. Compared with the market players, it was good numbers.
Very good.
Yeah.
So thank you very much, Ashish. As we are keep on telling you in earlier videos, these videos are made only for the educational purpose, and there is no recommendation to buy or sell any stock here. Thank you very much. Bye bye.